Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be introducing an online simulator for electronics engineer and for robotics and mechatronics engineer. Today there will be just an introduction and explanation of a simple circuit that is being for LED for turning it off and on. So here you can see that I have used LED, one resistor, and for power supply I have used 3-volt coin battery. So here you can see when I am starting the simulation, the LED is turning on. So for this we do not have any microcontroller or microprocessor, so we don't need coding. And here you can see a lot of other components that is useful in other projects. And for here also some microcontrollers like Arduino and Raspberry Pi and other controllers are available, so you can use for your simulation before going for prototyping and making it in hardware. So thank you for your attention. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.